Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about Sixt Rental Car, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Now, Sixt One or Sixt is well known as a global car rental company, and on the surface, they seem solid. Sleek website, decent pricing, and a wide range of vehicles. But what's it like once you're actually behind the wheel? On Trustpilot, Sixt Switzerland or Sixt.ch has a 1.4 out of 5 rating based on 132 reviews. That's pretty tough. The majority of low ratings mention unexpected charges, delayed deposit returns, and issues with customer service. On Reddit, experiences are mixed. Some users have shared smooth rentals and a good customer service, but others report surprise fees for minor damages, bait and switch pricing, and being charged long after the trip ended. So it really depends on the location and how careful you are with the rental process. The common complaints are charges for scratches he didn't cause, delayed refunds for deposits, hard to reach customer support, disagreements over insurance coverage. For the final verdict, Six can work out fine if you document everything. Take photos of the car, check the contract carefully, and be prepared for extra fees. The cars themselves are usually in great shape, but the billing side can be frustrating. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.